everyone, it's Joe Skipper here, owner of Skipper Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty out of Oregon. I just returned from eXpCon in Las Vegas, and I am pumped to share what I've learned about the incredible world of AI and how it's reshaping our real estate industry. Now, AI, or artificial intelligence, is the future of our business. Those who embrace it will thrive, while others may find themselves left behind. So let's dive into 5 AI websites and extensions that you absolutely need to incorporate into your business to dominate today's market. But before we get started, if you're not familiar with AI, don't worry. It stands for artificial intelligence, and it's changing our industry faster than you might think. Now, eXpCon was a game changer for me this year. I got to network with some of the best agents worldwide and learned a ton about AI's potential and its impact in the real estate world. Today, I'm sharing this knowledge with you so that you can stay ahead of this rapidly evolving industry. The real estate market can be tough, and we're seeing agents drop out every single month. But instead of getting discouraged, let's seize this opportunity to elevate our game, leave the competition behind, and position ourselves for success when the market returns. Now, there's a lot to cover, so let's focus on the top AI websites that can streamline your business, making your daily tasks easier to handle. These sites can be absolute game changers, and I'm not sponsored by any of them, so let's dive in. But let's start with Ask Your PDF. Now, this is an extension to ChatGPT and Chrome, and basically how it works is you upload your PDF into the program, whether that's contracts, agreements, property listings, or anything, but it turns it into an editable PDF and one that you can interact with. So rather than searching and scrolling through each document to find what you're looking for, you can interact with this extension and have a conversation with it to find different items or topics within that PDF. It basically studies the document for you, and you can ask it anything about it. It turns a standard document into an editable and searchable one that the AI can help you interpret, answer questions, and all sorts of other things. They have a free version that allows up to 100 pages per document, 50 questions a day, 3 conversations a day, and 1 document per day. You can go all the way up to $14 a month, which basically gives you unlimited access to it. Now think about the random stuff you spend $14 on that you don't need, and get this program for sure. Next up on the list is ManyChat. So ManyChat is a chatbot program that engages with clients on platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and just normal text. You basically build a chatbot, without any code by the way, that's going to interact with your clients. It can greet clients, answer questions, and it'll guide them through conversation flows. This program is amazing for lead generation as it frees you up from directly responding to leads and gets them into a conversation flow and get appointments for you to follow up with them at a different time. It can be customized to sound like you and how you want it to respond to different clients' questions. This program gives you a marketing team right at your fingertips. They do have a free version, one that is $15 a month, and you can customize a program with the company for your specific needs. It's a really easy entry price into this and can change the game in how you communicate with those leads that are coming in. Now, on to the next program that's going to help you social media types. This program is called VideoLeap, and what this does is change the background of your video to pretty much whatever you want. If you take a video in an area that you end up not really liking, or you just want to spruce up your videos, this app is an awesome way to do it. Now, this app does a bunch of other things, like you can add text, you can remove objects, and things like that. So it's not just for your backgrounds. Now, they give you a 7-day free trial with the app, so it's worth playing around with to see what you think about it. Now, if you are looking for on-brand content for your business, Jasper AI is something to take a look at. So Jasper AI is basically a content creator for you. You provide it with basic information, and it puts out high-quality content. And it learns you as you go, so it gets better and better as you use it more and more. People use all sorts of things with Jasper that include writing blogs, marketing content, product descriptions, and more. You name it, Jasper can do it. It also has the chatbot ability like ManyChat, but unlike the other ones, Jasper can carry on conversations with clients, and it understands what they're trying to say, asks questions, and provides answers. It's kind of insane what Jasper is capable of. This product takes a lot of work off your plate and handles himself. I don't know what to call Jasper, but it's an incredible tool. Now you can get a 7-day free trial, and as of now, the basic package is $39 a month with the team package at $99 a month. Finally, let's look at Brevo.com. So Brevo is kind of a CRM on steroids. If you don't know what a CRM is or you don't have one yet, this one is definitely worth looking at. If you go to their site, they claim to have 4 different areas of your business that they can handle: marketing, conversations, sales, and transactional emails. Now they can create campaigns for emails, text, and automate it for you. They also have the one-on-one chat tools like Jasper and ManyChat, and this program allows you to keep an eye on leads that come in and the different deals that you have going on. Brevo is kind of a one-stop for a lot of your business needs in regards to keeping in front of clients and various marketing tools to put you ahead of the crowd. And to do it simply, they have a free package to discover what it's like, and their basic program starts at $25 a month. Now remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg from the wealth of AI tools we explored at EXPCon. While there's more to uncover, these 5 alone can catapult your business to new heights. Now, in an ever-evolving market, we can't afford to stand still. Real estate is transforming, and AI is the key to staying ahead. Don't be left behind. Embrace the power of AI. AI isn't a passing trend. It's here to stay. To not only survive, but to thrive in this changing landscape, we must harness the potential of AI. Now, if you have any questions about any of these programs, or you want to dive deeper into what EXPCon offered and how EXP is empowering agents to dominate our industry, feel free to reach out to me. Our agency is at the forefront, providing the resources and training to outshine the competition and seize success. Thanks, guys.